What's going on, everybody? East Coast Garage back with another video. Today we picked up a new car. Chevy. Cruze 2016, 50,000 miles on it. So this is a Copart auction car. It's a salvage vehicle. I'll show you the damage up here. So a lot of it's hidden right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap this side so we can get a better look at the damage. You can see the damage down here. Bumper smashed in. Got hit here. This thing's all smashed up. Damage to this fender. I'm gonna get that wrap off. So the good thing about this car, and one reason I bought it, is because the airbags didn't go off. None of them. So I mean, that's pretty good. Glass is good. No damage to the windshield. So I think this is pretty minor damage. I'm gonna, like I said, unwrap all this so I can get a better look at exactly what's wrong. But yeah, this is the new project. See a lot of guys on YouTube rebuilding Hellcats and things like that. I can't afford those more expensive cars, but I can do something like this. So I'm gonna bring you along for the whole process. What it takes to fix, how much I paid for it, how much I put into it, what I sell it for, and if this goes well, you know, I'll just keep getting better and better cars, more expensive. Hopefully make some money in the meantime. We'll see. I could be totally wrong here, but to me, it looks like they might have hit an animal. This kind of looks like blood. If it's not, I don't really know what else it could be. I don't see any, like, fur or anything, or hairs, but I don't know, kind of gross. Yeah, definitely needs a bumper. This bumper is pretty much gone. Definitely needs a fender. That's gone. Man, it's the same thing over here. Is that? I don't know what that is. Yep, I think it is blood. That looks like some sort of hair or fur right there, hanging on. That is pretty gross. I think I'm gonna wear gloves for the rest of this job. Well, I'll take that wrap off on this side and go from there. So I got the same thing on this side. That same, like, I don't know. I really can't tell if that's blood or not. But looks like the door got a little bit of damage. That might be repairable. This fender is definitely gone. No repairing that. Bumper's gone. No repairing that. Pretty sure this fender's gone too. Got a little bit of damage on the side skirt, a rocker panel here, and then more back here. But I think that's all repairable. Interior is dirty, but pretty nice. No rips or tears, no burn holes. Nothing too bad in here. Not bad. Seat looks good. Yeah, everything looks pretty good in here. Those seats look nice. So there was this tire obviously has, this wheel is a donut. The stock wheel is in the back. Check this out. Oh boy. Couple of spots. Pretty bent. That's real bad. Oh, I don't know if that's repairable or if it's worth repairing. I gotta look up and see what one of these Steelies costs. 16-inch. But get the hood open, see if there's any damage in there. Yep, so finding some damage in here. The fan is bent out. The radiator hose there is rubbing on the belt. Right there. Low oil. Coolant's pretty much empty. I'm sure that has been leaking down there. So radiator. Yep. AC condenser and radiator smashed in pretty bad. Right there. See that? Smashed in pretty good. The main beam down here doesn't look like it has any damage at all. That all looks good. All the way across. That looks fine. This bumper is seen better days. Cracked here. This lower piece is twisted around pretty good. Might be salvageable. That's junk. Junk. Yeah, kind of disappointed about that. But it didn't push all the way to the motor, so that's good. Everything else looks pretty good. Headlights are good. No damage whatsoever there. Same with this one. No damage. This is just the sticky residue from that wrap. That's definitely no good. Missing a marker light. Yep. Well, not too bad. A little more damage than I originally thought, but nothing too crazy. I think it's all fixable. This is good. This grill right here is intact. And this grill right here, those are like $200 and something each. I already looked those up, so I'm glad that those are intact. But I think that's it for tonight. Just wanted to get it all opened up and see how much damage there really was from what I originally thought. The next video I will be tearing all this apart, taking all the bad pieces off, and assessing even more damage as I remove pieces. I'm sure other things will come up, so that'll be in the next video. So if you want to stay up to date on how this is going, where I'm at, how much it's costing, all of that stuff, like, subscribe, turn the bell on so you know when the videos are coming up. Throw down in the comments how much you think I paid for this at the auction, not including the fees and transporting it here, but just the final bid, the final winning bid on this. Again, it's a 2016 Chevy Cruze Limited. I think it's the LS model. It doesn't say on the back, but I believe it's the LS model. The 1.8 non-turbo. So yeah, throw down in the comments what you think I paid for this. If you know me and I've already talked to you about how much I paid, don't ruin it for anybody else. Just don't say anything. Don't put any comment in. That'll kind of ruin all the fun. Thanks for watching.